जल्दी से रिवाइव हो जाओ जल्दी से। हाँ हाँ हो गए। जल्दी से हीलिंग करो, पहले पहले हीलिंग करो यार। वो आ रहे शायद। आ रहे जल्दी से। अबे मैं नीचे क्यों गिर गया? अरे भाई तुम नॉक भी हो गए। मारा। अबे मेरा हेल्थ बहुत लो है यार, रिवाइव नहीं कर सकते तेरे को। 2 मिनट। अरे भाई एक नॉक हो जाओ, एक नॉक हो जाओ, ये तो नॉक हो जाओ। अरे भाई यहाँ पर मुझे क्यों मार दो? मारना बंद करो, मैं तेरे को सूट देता हूँ। 2 मिनट 2 मिनट। यहाँ पर आओ, यहाँ पर आओ, जल्दी से सूट ले लो, सूट ले लो जल्दी से। तो हाँ अबे क्या करूँ? हाँ उतार लिया। नाइस नाइस। चलो मैं तेरे को फॉलो करता हूँ। काश मेरा आरपी आ जाएगा, आ ही जाएगा। ओ भाई मेरा प्लेन आ गया। चलो भाई जल्दी से यहाँ पर चलते हैं। अरे मैंने तेरे को अनफॉलो क्यों किया? अबे मुझे लगा था तू मुझे फॉलो कर रहा था। अबे यार हम लोग यहाँ पर लैंड करते हुए देखते क्या होता है। चलो हम लोग यहाँ पर लैंड हो गए। मैं ये वाला कर लेता हूँ, तू वो वाला कर ले। हाँ मैंने करके बस मत आओ। अच्छा इसमें एक रूल है कि हम लोग एमो उठा सकते हैं पर गन नहीं उठा सकते। सब कुछ उठा सकते हैं पर सिर्फ गन के अलावा। गन का एमो भी उठा सकते हैं, एमो तो फायर नहीं करते इसलिए अलाउड है। और यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं मिला। आगे देखते क्या होता है। हमको जॉब करना पड़ा यार, 5 ले लेता हूँ। ऐसा तो लूट जब मैं ये चैलेंज करता। So guys, we'll try looting this house and we'll see what we'll get from here. I hope we get something nice. Okay, we'll see what we get from here and we'll loot this house. I hope we get something nice. Okay, let's go, let's see. Anyway, it's not a weapon challenge. We can't take normal weapons, so we'll have to drop all the weapons down that we take from houses or any shacks or something. So we have to drop all those type of weapons down because it's a challenge. A challenge is a challenge. So we can't do that. So we'll see whether the drop comes. We'll have to find the car as fast as possible first. Let me just take some more loot while my friend is also looting. Let's see. Okay, I'll go that side to find the car. While you see the drop, okay? I'm going to find the car. Let's go, let's go. Okay, I can't see any car up till now. Let's keep on going forward. But I did see a car. I mean, when I played this map before and I came on this place before, I did see a car. I hope so. A car is still there. I hope we find the car as fast as possible so we can get to the drop because we don't have any weapons. So as you can see yourself, we don't have even one weapon. So let's see. Let's go. Oh, I see a monster truck. Okay, I got it. Let's go towards our friend fast as possible. And I think we should drive because I'll just keep an eye on the drop. So I'll tell him to drive. Okay, so I'm going to back seat now because I can see better from there. So let's change seats, I think. Should we? First let's see the drop here. Yeah, the drop is coming on the left. How can't you see? It's on the left. On the left. Left. अरे भाई on the wrong way. Wrong way. Turn. I say turn. The drop is behind the bus. Yeah. There in front. Yeah. Go straight now. Okay, now we'll wait till the drop. We reach the drop. I don't know myself whether the drop is landing. It's coming. So we'll wait, but we'll see. And the drop is also come at Midston, and people are attacking us. Wow, isn't this so obvious? And that's why I changed me to drive. I told him for me to drive. Okay, well, I can see some players in forward. Let's go and attack them. But let's do this robber. Behind our player.
Moving with the motion, following the light that sets me free.
Why I had to hit the car in the fence? What wrong timing? Never mind. We will go forward. Oh, I can see the drop. I can see the smoke coming out from the drop. Now we at least know its exact location. But if there's an AR, then you can take it. But if there's any SMG or AR, then I'll take it. Remember that. Oh, there's one. Oh, SMG was there. Nice. I wish came too. Where did they get of them? I remember. I cleared the SMG. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. Okay, there are players. Stop. Run away. Yes, well done. Oh no, there's another player there shooting at us. They're shooting at us. Intense movement. Oh no, please. Let's take cover. Okay, let's get off. Okay, let me go in this house. No one can shoot us then. I hope this is not the end of us right here. Okay, I'll show Molotov so they can't come on top because I could see footsteps. So, let me throw a grenade over there. Oh no, somebody's there. I should... Oh, I hope he doesn't kill me. Oh no, no, yaar, I got knocked. Revive me fast. There's a player, don't revive me, there's a player, Yeah. I say take my Uzi and kill him. You can kill him with my Uzi. Okay. Oh, he's coming top. Never mind. If he got
Music.
killed, we'll play another one. But we have to at least come second or first in the top 3 at least we have to come. So we can have a chance of completing this mission. This challenge, I mean. Okay, so we're in another game and again I gave him my suit.
Messing with my head again.
But I don't like to wear a suit myself because it's quite colorful and people can spot you very, very easily. That's why even if you see in my normal classic matches, I don't wear it. Okay, this time we won't make the same mistake as we did last time. I didn't follow him. And we will go over here, the same place as we went last time. Because it's actually, we'll change the place because that place which we went last time is a little closer. So we'll take a little far place so that, we can't get killed so easily. At least the top 3 so the challenge can get completed. Okay. So let's see. I wonder what will happen. Okay, we'll land it. I'm come and land here. Okay, wait. There are 3 level 2 backpacks over here. Do you want one? Okay, he said no. He said no, he got one himself. I thought that here we can even take scopes. So the guns, like in the edge of whichever we get, we at least have scopes ready. Okay, but we can't take the guns. We can take the ammo. So let's do it. Something nice, please, something nice. अरे यार, pan. My friend is saying that he spotted a player. Let me go and check where he is.
Staying up when I go
Have a pan, I think I can get. Where is he? Let me go.
yours.
He's saying he's a bot now. But I can't see any footsteps, not even a bot. I hope this thing didn't get glitched or lagged a little bit. He's not on top of the bot. I saw you before. No, he's not here. Where is he?
Why do I, baby, why
Not
do
there,
I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do
I understand.
love the touch but never
He
love the
must have
feeling?
saw my mark on the map now. I marked something and the mark is normally orange. Of the players, any footsteps or any shooting, it comes orange in the map. So let's see, orange. I've marked my location on this thing with orange because I'm number 2. I hope you're mistaken as that. Anyways, we continue. Players are behind me, players. If I'm going fast because I can see players behind me. I can't see them, but I can see them shooting, and it's not a bot, it's a player. And we don't even have a gun. If you think I can kill, if I can't kill that real player with a pen, please leave a like below. Okay, if you think I can't kill the player with a pen, the real player. So we go forward to a friend because he says that he found a USG. Now how far is true because I haven't found anything when I came here. I explored the full map of Livic, so I know more than where the vehicles are and all, but he did find the vehicle. He's saying he did. Okay, let me kill this bot first. You bring the car. I'll wait. Let me kill this bot. Pan. Okay, guys. It was a bot. But this is not the same player who I was talking about. That was behind me. This is in front of me. So that's why. Okay, here he brings the car. Let's go to the edge drop fast. I think the edge drop is landed. It's reached. I don't know where the edge drop is. The edge drop has to be somewhere here. You say you see a plane. I can't see any plane right now here. Honestly. Okay, I think he's saying the edge drop is next to the water. No mind, we'll go next to it. A gun is a gun, we have to do it. Okay, he says the edge drop is somewhere very close. He says to me, "Oh, you could drive." Wow, I don't even know where to go. He says, "Oh, it's in front." Okay, I'll drive, but I don't know whether it's in front. I'm not sure. I'll take a right, and I'll take a left again. That means front. Arey yaar, these obstacles are too bad. You don't need to stop it. Why? You're going to be in front. Okay, the players over there, that's it. Okay, I'll stop and left. Let's go. Let's get out. Let's get out. Okay, I'll bend. Don't worry. Come, there's the edge drop. Please send me this. Oh, here it is. I was finding it from so long. I thought it landed. And it is just now here. Smoke is going to come any second. Let's move fast before it comes up. I'm going to start there because my suit is also a little bit colorful. But not colorful as his. We're finally got the dull suit. And I wonder what to do. Okay, we killed one player. I think we should stay here. Or should we move? Whether we count as camping, we should move. Now we have got our guns ready. We've got the Uzi. And he has, I think, the arm. Yeah, he has the arm, I think. I didn't see properly in the drop what was there. Anyway, whatever he had, that's his weapon. We both equal the weapons out by taking 1-1. If there was a flare gun in this lyric map, it would be so good. Just shoot the flare gun, drop comes directly to you. And plus you get more things like Groza, Scarlet XT. Scarlet XT is plus on the drop. Not like those normal Scarlets or the AKM. Whatever the XTs are all from the drop. So that's we take the XTs. It's counted as a drop weapon, okay? So we'll stop over here because we don't know what's there forward. It's better to be safe than to be sorry, as the saying is there. So let's see what happens. And we loot. He decides to stay here, but I'm not sure whether to stay here. Should we stay here? No, I think we should go. Let's rush. We should not camp. We are not campers. Come, let's go in the car. Okay, he said that something was wrong with his mic, so he connected from here. And let's see. Okay, we'll go. We are already in the zone. What do you mean go in the zone? Okay, I'm trying to see where the airdrop is. Airdrop, please come here. The airdrop he's saying he's going towards it. But the airdrop is behind us, I think. Yeah, the airdrop is behind. It's behind us. Yeah. I didn't know, right? Bus. Take it fast. No one else will loot my drop. From my point of view, it looks like the drop is going directly in the water, if I'm not mistaken. Guys, I knew it was going in the water, 100% sure. Because there was no other land after this thing. So he told me that, I'm so sorry, I have a mistake, I always took it in the water. Anyway, he told me that what is called, you go and loot the drop. Okay, whatever weapons are there, exchange it with this shotgun, this DBS, and take the second weapon if there's a second weapon. And he said that he's not coming because he'll give me cover. So I trusted him and I went. Let's see what we get. Doesn't this guy swim a little bit slow? I think so. I'm not sure. But if everyone swims there, so I don't know. Anyway, let's see what will happen. And over here, I hope you get Scarlet plus XT. Scarlet XT, sorry. At least a sniper should come out. A sniper. Okay, we got an automatic sniper. Not bad. And I take the ammo also of the Scorpion and all, because this is also like a small gun type, so it helps in shooting people. And that is so it's not without, it's XT. It's XT. So I'm taking these weapons to my friend. I will give him some ammo because he wants ammo of the Uzi XT as we took it in the first row. Okay, so we'll see. I think we should do this, Let's stay in cover. We are almost finished this match, guys. I'm really so happy. But still we have 10 players left. And their squads also, because we could without matching, auto-matching without it. So there can be real players also. So we're not so sure 50% there and whether we win or not. Because I don't know myself what will happen next. So let's see. I'm going under the water because my player said that actually there was a player on the left. So what I thought first, I said before he gets killed, I'll just take a Molo and I'll throw it at him. So I see I have 2 Molos also. So I put my 3x in that and I give him of course the ammo as I told you. Okay, so before he goes, I said I'll throw a Molo at him. he goes into the house first. And I threw a Molotov, I told him. So I told him not to go next to the house where you saw, and you told me where the player was. So try taking our Molotov off first. Let's get into cover. I can't see him actually because I tried opening my MK12 with 4X, but I couldn't see him because he was just, my friend said a car. He didn't see a player. So I think I was not sure. So I just threw a Molotov next to the player. Next to the car, I mean. So I hope that there's no player. The player should get killed by somebody else. Okay, let's see. I hope. Please. I was so wrong. I mean, my friend was so wrong. There was a player. But never mind. Something glitches and bags happened to me after my first starting videos. Remember guys, my phone used to lag a lot, but now it's become quite much better. So that's why I started recording again. And I can see a player shots in there, but I can't see the player. So I open my MK12 and try looking, but still didn't find the player. So let's go. Let's stop in this point, take cover and let's see. Okay, there's nobody there. I can't see anybody else. There is nobody there in fact. Those are the, bad. Okay, zone is coming. So let's go towards our friend. Because he's already in the zone and he left me. So let's go fast towards him. Let's go. Okay, we are in the zone. In fact, why should I go towards him? Arey man, take out your suit. Your suit is very, very colorful. Take it out. The player can spot you very, very easily. Take it out. Yeah, take it out. I said take it out. The player is there only somewhere.
It's nothing personal.
I thought I saw a player over there. That's why I just
They don't need to see me cry.
But never mind. We'll see what to do.
They don't understand.
He's still not taking his suit off.
And when I'm finished, I'm all about my business.
Oh, he finally took it out. Come on, that's a good thing. I don't need to take out mine because I have a green suit that's already according to the grass color. And if I take out my suit, I'll be spotted more easily. That is whether to keep this on. It has some protection better than nothing. And I marked the location because either the player is there or the player is there somewhere. There. I marked it. So I think from these two, any one of these places the player is there. So I'm not sure, but still we should not take out the SQC. So let's see. As we have our MK12 ready, we can do anything.
Lo siento mucho, pero me voy, porque a tu lado me di cuenta que nada soy. Y me cansé de luchar y de guerra, al embate, estar en la línea de fuego y de meter la mano con mis errores. También soy humano y tú no ves que lo hago porque te amo. Pero ya
Please get burned. No one got burned. Wow. What luck I have. Nice. But luck has got nothing to do with the game. It's all your skills that improve your game. Okay, my teammate is knocked out. Come fast with me. I'll cover you. Move. Oh, you almost made me blow the grenade upon us only. Okay. He's reviving. Alright, he's having revived. Okay, you almost revived. Okay, heal fast. The players are coming. Heal. Yeah, heal. Oh no, they're coming. Arey, why fell down? Oh no, our teammate is knocked. Okay, see, please kill him. Arey, no. He's taking cover. I think we should go on top. I can't revive you, I'm sorry. Kill him at least. One should get knocked. Okay, the other one is there. Oh no! Actually, seriously, we took second place, guys. But never mind, the challenge is, I said we can come in the top 3. So guys, if you really like the video, please leave a like down and subscribe also to the channel if you are new. And comment down which is your favorite part, and turn on the bell notification so that you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.